today's video is going to be a bit different than what I usually do, but I have something very exciting to show you. Oh yeah! This was sent to me by a company, VIOFO, and they want me to do a quick, honest review. And I'm sure you're all wondering what's inside the box. Well, you already know because you've seen the title. But it's not just a normal dash cam, it's a 3-channel dash cam. So there's a lot of accessories that you can attach to this, depends on your application. So what we're gonna do in this video, well, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna, oh, that was close. We're gonna install it, we're gonna do test drive, and I'll tell you what I think about it. I apologize for the setup, I don't really have a table to do this on, so I'm using the car. This is the one they sent me, it's the A329SW, 3 channels, is the latest one, and this comes with 3 cameras. The main camera, interior camera, and the rear camera. And this is the waterproof, so you can mount this outside onto your car or a van. So this camera is a 4K camera, and the technology behind this camera is a triple Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor. I can tell they have put a lot of work into packaging because it feels very premium. Oh, no. You get the quick start guide. This is the size of the camera, and I'm very impressed how much of technology can actually fit in this small device. And what I really like about it is the shape and the angle of the camera, which means when it sits on your windscreen, it's going to sit like that. It's going to be very stealth, and it's going to follow the curve of the glass. So this is the second camera, and it's a fisheye interior camera, and it shoots at 2K 30 frames per second. You get user manual. You also get some replacement pads for all the 3 cameras. And you get this like screen protector looking thing for your windscreen to protect your windscreen when you're sticking the camera on. So this is all your accessories. More replacement pads. You get your 12-volt power adapter with all the cables. You also get CPL lens for your main camera. Another cool feature about this camera, it actually supports external SSD for more storage and future proofing. So this is the rear waterproof camera, and you can mount it outside without any problems. And you also get some more installation cables. And they actually include the trim removing tool. So I have also received 64 gig memory card as well. Thank you very much. So far the camera feels like a really high quality product, so I can't wait to get this installed into my Jaguar. The installation of dashcam is never exciting, and it takes patience. I know this is gonna sound obvious, okay, but listen me out. Instead of just jumping in and start pulling everything off, make sure you plan ahead, so it will make it easier for you to install this dashcam. Any dashcam. So first step, where do you want this camera to be? I think I'm gonna have it around here somewhere. Once you're happy where you're gonna mount the camera, you need to know where you run the cable to. For me, it's gonna be right here. I don't know if all the companies do that, but you obviously get this adapter, and then you have your dashcam, and then you have Type-C. Right, this is brilliant. So now you can actually charge your phone and your dashcam at the same time.
While I'm installing this, here's a quick rundown. VIOFO offers a wide range of dashcams, from compact single-channel models to a multiple-channel 4K setups like this one. Installation is highly flexible with a cable length reaching up to 15 meters. Perfect for everything from compact cars to large trucks and trailers. Wi-Fi 6 makes transferring footage a breeze. Moving 4K videos at speeds of 30 megabytes per second, so full clip downloads under 10 seconds. And to tie it all together, the built-in GPS delivers accurate speed, route, and location tracking for every drive.
So after you install the camera, you should have working camera and a free phone charger. So the installation of the interior camera was very easy. That's where I put it. It's well hidden, and one cable literally goes from here to the side of the main dash cam. Pretty simple. The rear third camera should go in the back, but unfortunately, for this type of car, there's literally no room. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this for my next project, Audi R8. This will go in the back of her. So now we have the both cameras installed. Can't even see that one at all. So if you're looking for a really clean installation, this is the camera to go for. So it's time to take it for a test drive and see how it performs.
Here's the front camera in action. Sharp 4K footage captures every detail on the road, keeping everything crystal clear. The interior camera has a sharp 2K footage and a really wide lens. Perfect for the rideshare drivers or keeping an eye on the passengers and pets. Back to the front camera. Even the quick moments like this dodgy overtake are captured smoothly thanks to STARVIS 2 image sensor. Less noise, less motion blur.
So another thing that I want to test is the HDR feature. So let's see how it performs in the dark. The interior and the front camera will definitely get tested in this condition. It's very, very dark. And we'll see how bad the headlight blur is and stuff.
Let's see if the dashcam can capture a license plate. Oh yes, it's crystal clear and easy to read.
So VIOFO company done a really good job packing so many features in such a small product. but it has some optional accessories as well. These are all optional accessories you can actually get for this dash cam, which is insane. So it just shows you how customizable this is. So one of the optional extras I've got is this play button. Well, I call it a play button, but really it's a Bluetooth device that pairs to this dash cam. You can use this to turn the mic on and off. You can turn the Wi-Fi off. You can enable disable HDR without actually reaching for this. So you can mount this anywhere. It glues anywhere onto your dashboard. And yeah, it's actually very, very useful. Another optional accessory which is very useful is hardwire kit. So this will replace the adapter was provided with the camera. So once you have this kit fitted, it provides constant power to this device, no matter the car is on or off. And then this will enable the advanced parking mode. So once you have this enabled onto this dash cam, when you park the car, the dash cam knows it's been parked. If there's any movement around the car, within 2 seconds, it starts recording in a lower bit rate. So that means it's saving battery of your car. So it can record a lot longer than it usually would. So I think this is a very good option. Yes, it will take longer to install it, but it will be definitely worth it in the long run. Because when you're parked in the busy areas, at least you'll have a peace of mind that your car is safe. So this was sent to me to do a review. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just saying what I think. And I think, to be honest, it's a really, really serious kit. It packs a lot of features and yeah, 3 channels. So you can do whatever you want. There's another additional 2 cameras that you can attach to this device, which is absolutely insane. So if you're in the market for a dash cam, well, make sure check the VIOFO dash cams out. I'm gonna put a link in the description, and I do think every car should have a dash cam, honestly, because you don't know what can happen on the road or even park. I hope you find this review useful, and maybe it'll help you to make a decision what do you want to get. And yeah, I apologize for the messy workshop. I'm just in the middle of project fixing the audio rate. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you find this useful.